Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I am going to talk about a new workshop which we are launching on August 3, and that's the harness engineering workshop. So if you think of a large language model as the engine of a car, the harness is essentially the entire car itself. As a modern day machine learning engineer or an LLM engineer, it's really very important to know how agentic harnesses are built. What's an harness? One example of a harness can be Claude Code or Codex. These are examples of agentic harnesses, but for most of the people, these are black boxes. They don't know how Claude Code or Codex works so amazingly well. This workshop is about deconstructing that. We are going to open this black box and we are going to learn how agentic harnesses work from scratch. In fact, towards the end of this 5-day workshop, we are going to build our own agentic harness entirely from scratch. We are going to do this building in 5 layers. So layer 1 is going to be something which is called as loop. In layer number 2, we are going to build on top of this with tools and skills. In layer number 3, we are going to deal with context. In layer number 4, we are going to deal with sub-agents. And in layer number 5, we are going to deal with security. When we look at sub-agents, we'll look at agentic orchestration. When we look at context, we'll see how to compact a conversation. When you interact with a harness such as Claude Code, it is doing all of these things. Code can also decide when and how many sub-agents to allocate for a particular task. Claude Code also uses skills and it has its own baked-in tools. We'll see how all of these interplay with each other. After this workshop, agentic harnesses don't need to remain a black box because you will make your own agentic harness. How will we do that? Because along with Claude Code and Codex, there are other harnesses which are open source, whose GitHub repository is fully available for us to understand. What are these open source harnesses? One of them is called as Pi. You can check it out. It's incredibly famous in the open source community. And the second agentic harness is called as Hermes. The GitHub repository for this has around 200,000 stars. That's incredible, right? Why are people learning so much about open source harnesses? Because people really want to build their own harnesses from scratch. No one wants to continuously lock into one expensive vendor like Claude Code or Codex. Also, as an engineer, it gives you a lot of power and independence if you can build an agentic harness entirely yourself. And we are going to learn exactly this in our harness engineering workshop. We are going to deep dive into the GitHub repositories of Pi and Hermes, and we are going to see how these GitHub repositories were built, and our own harness will be built along similar lines. So at the end of this workshop, you will be able to do a project using your own harness. So the workshop is planned for 5 days from August 3 to August 7. And it will take place from 7 AM IST to 9 AM IST. Every single day of this workshop is going to be action-packed, and on every single day we are going to build something practical. We are going to build a practical implementation of whatever we are learning. And by the way, this is the world's first harness engineering boot camp or workshop. I look forward to seeing you there.